Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into the router. Plug an Ethernet cable to ensure a steady connection, then open a browser and go to 192.168.0.1. Log in with the admin username and password. If you don't know it, check the sticker or ask your provider. Once done, export or note current settings, SSID, wireless mode, IP reservations, because you'll revert if something breaks. Make sure you have a new name and a strong password ready before proceeding. Next, change the visible network name and the admin password. First, open wireless settings and type the new SSID. Choose something unique but non-identifying. Then move to administration or system settings to change the router's admin password. Use at least 12 characters. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Apply each change and save. You may be logged out after the admin password update. That's normal. Reconnect using the new admin credentials if required, and confirm the SSID appears on your devices. Finally, secure the wireless network by going to Wireless Security and choosing WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, then enter the new Wi-Fi password. Write it down securely. Once you save, reconnect each device using the new passphrase and confirm internet access. Run a quick speed test to make sure throughput is unchanged. If you get locked out, reboot and try the default admin from the sticker, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.